Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe. Shut off the feed and tag it so nobody energizes the line. Next, open the exit light lens and remove the lamp or cover. This gives you immediate access to the battery and wiring. Use your multimeter to confirm 0 volts at the fixture before touching anything, and photograph the connector layout so you can reconnect exactly as it was. Once done, set the old battery aside for testing. Now you diagnose the core failure. Test the battery under load and the lamp circuits for continuity, because dead batteries are the most common cause. If voltage is below the service threshold or the battery fails a load test, replace it with the same chemistry and rating. This ensures correct charge behavior. While replacing, inspect the driver board, fuses, and connectors for loose joints or corrosion, and tighten or clean as needed. Reinstall the cover, restore the breaker, and observe the charge indicator. It should show normal charging within minutes. Initiate a functional test and then a full 90-minute emergency runtime check to verify compliance. If the unit does not run for the required duration, recheck connections, test the replacement battery under load, and try swapping the lamp or driver module. One key troubleshooting tip: if charging light is off but mains is present, suspect a blown fuse or failed charger board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.